Alright guys, so today's video is about how to reset your Oraimo Boom Pop 2S headphone. So if you have any issue with it and you want to reset it, here is how to do it. Let's get down to business. So the first thing to do here is to go to your smartphone and go to the Bluetooth connection and turn it on. Once you have turned it on, make sure it is connected and go to these settings here, the gear icon. Now, you unpair it. You can use forget or unpair depending on the kind of device you are using, and select the forget option here in my case and select forget device. As you can see, it is no longer on the Bluetooth device but on available devices. Okay, so turn it off and keep the phone. Now, the next thing to do is to come to the headphones and turn it off. Okay. Now, once you have turned it off, get your charger and connect the cable to the Type-C port like this. That is, you are charging it. Yeah, as you can see, it shows that it is charging. That means it is charging up. So you can only do this reset when it is charging. All right. Now, you have to press this whole button here. That is the one in the middle of the plus and the minus. You hold it for 3 seconds and it's going to blink blue. So once it blinks blue, that means it has been reset. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it blinks blue 4 times and it goes off. Now it is back with the charging. That means it has been reset. Now you can now remove your charger and you can now connect it back. Go to your Bluetooth, switch it on, and search for it. Let your Bluetooth of your smartphone search for your Oraimo Boom Pop 2S headphones. Okay, I have not switched it on, so let me switch it on here so that it can locate it. So I can see our Oraimo Boom Pop 2 has appeared, so I'm going to tap on that and allow it to access contact and call history pair. It is now connected, and that is how to reset your Oraimo Boom Pop 2S. Please watch the video next, and if you want to get anything from Oraimo, please use the discount code bracket. Bye for now. Peace.